biggest asteroid moon is Davis Castle. Castle is have another sig like. Is castle like a rocky dust, and castle like this. Castle is kulay red, and castle is like a moon, Jupiter. Jupiter's moon is David, Ganymede, Europa, Callisto, and Io. Because have four biggest moon have another moons is Coesi, Ulabri, Isuli, Ubay, Keso, Abali, Usuli, Isali, Ubali, Usila, Ulio, Aliso, Ulisuka, Uwaga, Ulisay, Aulusa, Ilduwan, and Baliset, and Balasan, and Bureta, and Guwase, and Goose, and Ecoli. The biggest moon orbiting Jupiter is named from the god. Because Scrubber and Jupiter, Galileo Galilei have mentioned God. And the God Galileo Galilei from Jupiter make too big. And Jupiter's big have Mars is so small. Is Jupiter have best friend, and Saturn like a best friend, and shattered together and crash, and Jupiter have to God. We have no is crashing. The crash is make AC 146b, the biggest planet. Big AC 146b have another planet. Kepler 452, Series 138, Catas 938, HC30 100, and Kepler 4 138.